Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today, let's delve into a mindful and sustainable realm where fasting intertwines with eco-friendly rituals. We're here to explore the fascinating connection between fasting and eco-friendly rituals. Fasting is more than just a dietary practice. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-care. And when we combine it with eco-conscious habits, the experience becomes even more enriching, both for ourselves and the planet. Imagine starting your fasting day with a serene ritual of gratitude. As you rise with the sun, take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature around you. This simple practice not only cultivates a positive mindset, but also deepens your connection with the earth. During your fasting window, consider incorporating sustainable choices like using reusable water bottles and containers. By avoiding single-use plastics, you're not only reducing waste, but also contributing to the health of our oceans and ecosystems. Breaking your fast can become an eco-friendly ritual as well. Imagine enjoying a meal that's not only nourishing for you, but also gentle on the environment. Opt for plant-based options that require fewer resources to produce, such as vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. This practice reduces your carbon footprint and supports sustainable agricultural practices. Another eco-conscious ritual to explore is outdoor mindfulness. During your fasting period, take a walk in a nearby park or natural setting. Engaging in mindfulness while surrounded by nature is a beautiful way to align your inner well-being with the environment. As you practice deep breathing and mindful presence, you're fostering a sense of interconnectedness with all living beings. Incorporating eco-friendly practices into your fasting routine can extend beyond your immediate surroundings. Consider taking a moment to research and support sustainable and ethical brands when purchasing food and products. This small shift in consumer behavior contributes to a more eco-friendly economy. As your fasting window comes to a close, you might find joy in an eco-friendly gratitude ritual. Reflect on the nourishing meal you've enjoyed and the positive impact your sustainable choices have on the planet. This practice can deepen your connection with the earth and remind you of the power of conscious living. Additionally, intermittent fasting, a popular fasting approach, aligns well with eco-conscious practices. By limiting your eating window, you naturally reduce food consumption, which can lead to less food waste. This mindful approach to eating ensures that you're consuming what you need while minimizing excess. Remember, the synergy between fasting and eco-friendly rituals isn't about perfection, but rather about making mindful choices that resonate with you. Whether it's choosing locally sourced produce, participating in community cleanup events, or reducing energy consumption during your fasting hours, every small action counts. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Happy Fasting Fun. As you blend fasting with eco-friendly rituals, you're embracing a holistic approach to well-being that nourishes both your body and the planet. Let's continue to explore the beauty of conscious living and the profound impact it has on ourselves and the world around us.